A well-sealed door not only keeps out bugs, it helps make your home more comfortable and can lower your energy bills. Here's what you'll need to weatherproof your door. First, adjust the strike plates and latches. You may need to even out any gaps around the door by shimming the hinges. Now you're ready to cut and attach your weather stripping to the hinge side of the door frame. Be sure to open strips slightly for a tighter seal. For larger gaps that need to be double sealed, cut strips to fit, then attach to the outside of the door as well. Finally, consider installing a bristle sweep. A sweep helps minimize air leaks and easily attaches without having to trim the door. Or you can opt for an integral sweep that screws onto the exterior side of the door. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.